But before we end off, I have two specials for you. One, I didn't tell anybody. I do feel, as we are Bitcoiners, as you've seen, a lot of us have different talents. And there was something that was started last year at the Bitcoin Circular Economies Summit in in Mauritius, where I had to was reminded that I came into Bitcoin as an artist, and I had to do a poem. So I'm going to do that exact poem for you guys, because I feel like you've done so much work, I should give you a little prize. Okay. So this is a poem I wrote about around the age of 16, 17, so long before I came into Bitcoin. And the poem speaks to a lot about what a lot of you are building and why you're building it. The poem's name is Ask Why We Shouldn't Have Money. Ask why we shouldn't have money. Ask why we'd slave away at that which we least enjoy, to create more opportunities to elevate our current state with the things that money can obtain. Then take a look in the tears in the eyes of a man that craves to walk just his journey towards his destiny, yet needs money to provide for his family. And the only job he can get is that of being a security guard at the complex he just saw his wife enter for her graveyard shift. As his mind continues to shift to the debts, loans, empty fridge, and their starving kids, see, she scripts as much as her hands can write during the day, while she takes care of the kids before she shifts to the corner street hustle every night. Ending at the same place it seems these men all love to hate, same place that she sees her husband for the first time since she rose that day. And she knew. See, it's the money. It brings about the truth in the statement that money can buy you anything, even that which someone would care never to give up. And not much is said about what she would do for him and him for her, and that which they both created and will continue to protect and provide for as long as they both draw breath. See, money, dreams, envy, and such, they're all spawns of the same devastating bluff, that which takes away the freedom of creating for the sake of creating itself. And the liberating feeling that comes with the realization that that in itself is love. Thank you very much.